Welcome to our podcast. Today we're discussing a crucial topic for commercial diving sector, focusing on the approval of Accessory Decree number 1736 of December 10, 2025. This decree, issued by the Department of Vocational Training, introduces significant changes and additions to DA number 2281 of May 28, 2019, redefining professional profiles for commercial diving at both inshore and offshore levels. Alex, can you explain the immediate importance of these developments?
Certainly, Chloe. This decree is fundamental because it not only updates the profiles in course syllabi for commercial diving, but it also has an immediate practical impact. Its approval has allowed for the rapid application of these new provisions, which is critical for a sector like commercial diving that's constantly evolving. It represents a significant step forward in standardizing and improving the training of professionals.
Let's dive deeper into the specifics. What are the main changes introduced for the new profiles in commercial diving, particularly for offshore levels?
The decree has indeed redefined profiles for both inshore and offshore levels. For offshore, the most notable change concerns the top-up level, which is the initial offshore certification for dives between -30 and -50 meters. Here, the training time has increased. The course now aligns with Level 3 of the IDSA standards, a recommendation also supported by IMCA. This change guarantees enrollment in the Commercial Diver Registry for this specific level.
You mentioned the inshore diver level as a real novelty. What are the most important changes in this area, and how has its status been elevated?
The inshore diver level is indeed where the real novelty lies. This level, which is subsequent to the OTS level, now requires enrollment in the first level of the Commercial Diving Registry at the Labor Department. This is in line with IDSA standards and leads to achieving the IDSA Level 2 certification. Additionally, the Labor Department now issues a card after enrollment in the registry. This significantly elevates both the professional status and the recognition of these divers.
It sounds like there's much more structure and regulation now. Can you elaborate on the training paths for this inshore diver level? How have they been redefined? That distinction between regulated and non-regulated training seems pivotal. Why is it so relevant that the decree specifically refers to regulated training?
It is absolutely critical. Regulated training follows specific, rigorous standards established by government agencies or international organizations. This ensures that participants acquire skills and knowledge recognized nationally and internationally. In the EU, this type of regulation facilitates the free movement of workers and the mutual recognition of professional qualifications. In contrast, an OTS course that only requires enrollment in the Port Authority's registry without enrollment in the Labor Department's registry falls under non-regulated training and does not meet these specific higher standards.
Beyond these new paths, the decree also introduces, for the first time in Italy, the assignment of incoming training credits. How does this system work, and who is eligible for this opportunity?
This is another significant innovation. Incoming training credits can cover up to 80% of the total course hours following verification of an individual's logbook. This possibility is provided for those who already hold the qualification of Technical Subaquatic Operator obtained under DA 3826-2018, those enrolled in existing diver or sailor registries, or those with foreign training certifications that meet the didactic requirements of the DA.
Regarding the implementation of these novelties, are any schools already adopting them?
Yes, CEDIFOP in Palermo, which is the sole IDSA full-member school in Italy, has already begun applying the innovations introduced by the decree. They have launched a new 660-hour course for the OTS inshore qualification, with a start date scheduled for March 2nd. Enrollment has been remarkably high, with over 50% of the available spots already taken, demonstrating the significant market interest and demand for these new qualifications.
Alex, this has been a very clear and in-depth picture of the innovations introduced by Accessorial Decree number 1736. It's evident how these changes are crucial for the professionalization and recognition of commercial diving in Italy and across Europe. Thank you for guiding us through these important updates.
Thank you, Chloe. It was a pleasure.